Hello everyone, Dr. Happy Wolf here, aka Brendan Vandenberg. Welcome back to another video and welcome you back to another game design tutorial. Now, it has been a very long time since I made one of these, and the last time I made one of these was a bit kind of cheesy, a little bit weird. Now this is not going to be a full tutorial. This is actually going to be a fix to a tutorial that's already existent. And this is for making a 3D main menu or menu screen, something along the lines of that, in Unreal Engine 4. Could work for 5, don't take my word for that. But I want to get you to, I believe, Reed's channel, R-E-I-D-S channel, I believe that's how that'll be, top right corner will be a video link. If that doesn't work, the video I use in the description below. So this is not how to make a 3D menu. This is just if you're having what I like to call an overlapping camera problem. Now here's a preview for a game I'm working on called Let's Get the Milk, made by Vandenberg Studios. So as you can see, my when I start playing this, it is working fine. Now, but with my menu here, it goes around this milk carton, and you can see this happens. So why does that happen? Well, why that happens, first of all, is because you're pressing the button in the time it has to switch between one to the other. Now, I thought there was multiple ways to fix this, like maybe disabling the mouse, maybe disabling the player controller. There's just so many different things, possibilities to fix this, and I couldn't come up with anything until I was experimenting, and I came across a way to fix this little overlapping thing not working right here. And I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to expose my secrets. So if we open the BP main menu 3D, that's what I called it, or just the one you use to set up this coding. You can already see I'm doing things a bit differently. I'll go ahead and walk you through it. So what I did is, first of all, in this little section with the transition to part, in the lock outgoing, what I did is I right clicked on it and I clicked promote to variable, and then it gave me a Boolean variable. All I did was rename that Boolean variable to main menu lock outgoing. And then I added a, next to the event play up here, or where your like your transition between menus, and I think like where your event begin play is, for this blueprint, I added where you can set this lock outgoing variable. If you don't know how to do that, you can just go over here and set variable, or you can type. This isn't Blender. Right click and then type in set. That's not how you spell set. Set what I call it, main menu outgoing something main, the variable set main menu lock outgoing, and you just want to get that variable. And I placed one right next to this event begin play. So and I plugged it back into the cast to menu 3D widget, and I left this unticked. And then in between the transition to targeted BP main menu 3D, it could be called something else for you, but just like this ending part right here in the true or false branch, I added another one, and you want to check this last one as true. Now, let's say, do not do this. Basically, your coding should be done if you want to just check this and you're good to go. But let's hypothetically say I had both of these checked. I'm not even sure if this would work. But one of the things that I was experiencing originally is this right here, where the camera starts somewhere else. The rest seems to be okay, because if you do that, it just freezes and goes to the next one, so it doesn't look as buggy as it was before. It can kind of more smoothly transition between the scenes without glitching out. But let's say you don't want this to happen. You don't want it to like kind of start somewhere a bit strange and not look natural. Well, for that, why I added the what is it? The made the lockout going a variable is because for that starting when you start the game, I wanted it to like pan into the play button. So for the first one, you want to have the lockout going set as as false, and then for the rest, you want to have it set as true. And when you have it like that, it will still start as normally, and then after that, smoothly transition between your different menus. And if you're in the process of one, it'll just stop it in place and then go to the other one, so it doesn't look buggy. It looks a bit strange when it stops in midair, but you know, it doesn't look buggy as it was before. So, as I said, this is just to do that overlapping camera glitch fix. This is just to fix that. So I hope this video helped. Again, shout out to Reed's channel for making the video on how to fix this problem. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. And be sure to check out Vandenberg Studios, Left to Get the Milk, the video game, whenever it comes out. Thank you guys for watching. See you later. Bye!